I'll do a shake. You got your own name tag.
That are mixing, that are mingling, that are enjoying the space. Just imagine that there is meat all over in this area. Well, hey guys, how'd my tour go? Sample tour. Hello from Arena Hall for the Learn VC welcome party. I'm gonna show you a tour of what's going on here tonight. So this is their new headquarters. It's a company called Learn, and it's a venture capital firm. And yours truly has been hired. That's me. I'm gonna help them out with some icebreakers, meeting new people. We're gonna walk around and do name tags for everybody. And most importantly, I'm gonna do tours of this incredible new headquarter campus that they have here in downtown Austin. Look at everybody getting set up. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Great to see you. Yes, I'll do a shake. You got your own name tag. What's up, Hudson? How's it going? Good to meet you too. So here's the plan. We're gonna be doing tours of this beautiful new house, the campus that they've built and designed. We're also gonna be doing name tags for all of the guests that are here. I think name tags are helpful because they help people know it's a safe space to go up and meet somebody new. That's one of the key points at an open house, at a company tour. You want people to go and meet new people. That's, for a lot of them, that's what they do. Leave your event thinking, I met so many cool people. I'm setting up now. We have about 30 minutes until showtime. Stay tuned. So this is my setup, and I'm gonna give a name tag for myself, and then I'm gonna do one for Hudson. You want a blue one? All right, I have rehearsed some of the tour. I have my note cards all made up here. Let's go take a look around. I'll grab you with me, and let's go look at, I'll show you some behind the scenes of how the stage is getting set up. Check this out. This is really gonna be the VIP stage area, and the bands, we're gonna send people out here when we finish the tour. This is where they're actually gonna go. Let's just walk over and take a look. Hello, that's Lindsay. She's the one who's really been setting all this up, but this is where it's all gonna set up. Okay. Welcome to the live party interaction. I'm gonna tell you what's going on. I've been doing tours all night long through the Learn Capital space here at Arena Hall. I will walk you through now. Will you film me for like a minute, Kelly? Is that okay? So this is the last stop. Let's go to the first stop. Follow me. But around me, I'm gonna walk around. You can see all these people that are mixing, that are mingling, that are enjoying the space. And I have to tell you, as a tour guide, it is so difficult the more crowded it gets. But that's okay. I have my neon yellow hat, which I hold up high in the air, and I get everybody to follow me. So I talk about the space. Why is it called? Why is this different from most venture capital offices? Then I take them into the kitchen. Follow me. You're doing a great job, Kelly. Thank you very much. So this is the kitchen, and earlier tonight there was a meat carving station. That, just imagine that there is meat all over in this area. And we were talking about how human flourishing can happen in many different ways. One of those ways is amongst health and the body and things like that. The next stop is in the parlor. Come with me there. It's very dark in the parlor, so bear with me. This is the parlor. I talk about the fireplace, but I'll step into more light. So this is the parlor. This is the home to the after party. And what we want to do on a tour of a new venture capital office is simply walk people through the space to have the sense of confidence and ownership that they can explore on their own. So that was my job, to move small groups through it. After walking them through, in this room, I told them a little bit about the history of the house. The house was built in the late 1890s. I told them about the judge who had it, and there's also ghosts. We talked about the ghost stories. Then we finished up over in this area, the library. Come here. This is the library. This is one of the last stops on the tour, and I talked about how their goal here is to make it a community space and who they can talk to. They can talk to a woman named Lindsay here. I told them their next steps. Really the mission of what Learn Capital is to connect and get their portfolio companies together, but also the people that are their allies, close to them, friends of the founder. So we talked about that in here, and then we finished it. It's too crowded, but I'll show you outside. We finished by the Learning Library. This has been my tour of the Learn Capital space tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you like this video, will you do me a favor? I'm obsessed with meeting people and doing events. Will you give me a like or give me a comment? Because that really helps. These videos have such a small audience, and if you're still watching, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Austin, Texas, tonight for the Learn Capital grand opening at Arena Hall.